Crash course on Dominican Republic, sports and recreation. Welcome to a crash course on the sports and recreational activities that capture the spirit of the Dominican Republic. From baseball and basketball to hiking, surfing, and more, this vibrant country offers a plethora of opportunities for both locals and visitors to engage in physical activities. We'll share some interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement, followed by a detailed list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the sports and recreational culture of the Dominican Republic. Finally, we'll conclude with a poem that celebrates the joy of sports and recreation in this dynamic nation. Sports and recreation play a significant role in Dominican culture, fostering camaraderie, competition, and a healthy lifestyle. Here are some interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement. 1. Baseball. Baseball holds a special place in the hearts of Dominicans. The country has produced many Major League Baseball stars, earning it the nickname, the cradle of shortstops. The enthusiasm for the sport is palpable, and baseball games are a lively event where fans come together to cheer for their favorite teams. 2. Basketball. While baseball dominates the sports scene, basketball has also gained popularity in recent years. The Dominican Republic has produced talented basketball players who have made their mark internationally. Local leagues and pickup games provide opportunities for both amateurs and professionals to showcase their skills. 3. Merengue Hiking Trail. Embark on the Merengue Hiking Trail in Jarabacoa, a scenic mountain town. The trail offers breathtaking views of waterfalls, lush forests, and stunning landscapes, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. 4. Surfing. The Dominican Republic boasts some of the Caribbean's best surfing spots. Cabaret, known as the kiteboarding capital of the world, offers excellent conditions for water sports enthusiasts. Playa Encuentro is another popular destination for surfers of all levels, with consistent waves and a vibrant surf community. 5. Los Haitises National Park. Explore the remarkable biodiversity and natural beauty of Los Haitises National Park. This protected area is home to mangrove forests, caves with ancient Taino petroglyphs, and an abundance of wildlife. Take a boat tour to witness the park's stunning landscapes up close. 6. Golf. The Dominican Republic is a golfer's paradise, with numerous world-class golf courses. Punta Espada Golf Course in Cap Cana and Teeth of the Dog in Casa de Campo are just a couple of the premier courses that attract golf enthusiasts from around the world. 7. Ziplining. Experience an adrenaline rush by soaring through the treetops on a thrilling ziplining adventure. Several locations offer ziplining tours, including the lush forests of Punta Cana and Jarabacoa, providing an exhilarating way to appreciate the country's natural beauty. 8. Whale watching. Head to Samana Bay between January and March to witness the majestic humpback whales that migrate to these warm Caribbean waters. Take a boat tour to observe these magnificent creatures breaching and playing in their natural habitat. 9. Scuba diving and snorkeling. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Dominican Republic and discover vibrant coral reefs, underwater caves, and a diverse array of marine life. Popular destinations for scuba diving and snorkeling include Bayaibe, Sosua, and La Romana. 10. Santo Domingo's Colonial Zone. Explore the historic Colonial Zone in Santo Domingo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. While not specifically a sports activity, walking through the cobblestone streets and admiring the colonial architecture is a rewarding and enjoyable way to immerse yourself in the city's rich history and culture. 11. Sailing and boating. With its stunning coastline and numerous bays, the Dominican Republic offers fantastic opportunities for sailing and boating. Whether it's chartering a yacht, hopping on a catamaran cruise, or renting a small boat for a leisurely ride, the options are plentiful. 12. Parque Mirador del Sur. Located in Santo Domingo, Parque Mirador del Sur is a sprawling park that offers walking and jogging trails, open green spaces, and recreational facilities. It's a popular spot for outdoor activities and a great place to enjoy some exercise while soaking up the sun. In summary, the Dominican Republic's sports and recreational offerings are as diverse as its landscapes and culture. From the passion for baseball and basketball to the thrill of hiking, surfing, and more, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And now, a poem that celebrates the joy of sports and recreation in the Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic, a land of fun and play, where sports and recreation brighten every day. Baseball's fervor fills the air. Heroes born, dreams to share. Basketball's court alive with grace. Dribbling and shooting, a fast-paced race. Hiking trails unveil nature's charms. Mountains, waterfalls, in open arms. Surfers catch waves, a thrilling ride. The ocean's power, an eternal guide. Los Haitises, a natural treasure. Caves and wildlife, a boundless measure. Golfers swing amidst lush green. Challenging courses, a golfer's dream. Zipliners soar through skies so high. Adventures beckon, spirits fly. Whales grace the bay, a majestic show. Their beauty shines, hearts aglow. Diving and snorkeling, beneath the sea. Discovering wonders, pure harmony. Colonial streets tell stories old. A walk through time, a sight to behold. Sailing and boating on crystal seas. Freedom embraced with every breeze. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.